Hey guys, this is our next lesson for social studies. We went over this before earlier on in the year, but we need a nice little refresher because we're going to do a lot with geography for the next, month and a couple weeks, okay? And we're going to be doing a lot with these 5 themes of geography, which are place, location, region, movement, human environment interaction. Okay, so I'm going to talk about these 5 briefly to help you remember and engage your memory on this. So, what we're going to do is place is talking about what is the area look like? Like, what is the geography like? Are there mountains? Is it mountainous? Is it desert like? Just giving the overall feel for the landscape. Location, there's 2 types to talk about: absolute and relative. Absolute is when you need to give like the exact address, like your home address, or give the longitude and latitude of a place, while relative is giving general, like saying North Dakota is basically around the upper middle of the United States. Or saying, like, if someone was giving you directions, oh, it's kind of around this area. You know that red house, you turn there kind of idea. So it's not an exact, you have to kind of find your way around with clues. Region is talking about how a country or an area can be almost divided up. So the United States is one country, but it's divided up in multiple regions. And a region is based on basically if you have the same, kind of culture in that area, the same kind of language, same almost religion, the same geography. So, for example, ourselves in the state of Maine, we are part of the region of New England because we have the similar culture to that of people in New Hampshire and Vermont and Massachusetts. So that's why it's called New England. While you go down into where Alabama and Georgia are, that's considered the region of the South because they have the same culture. Then there's movement. And there's 3 different types of movement. There's movement of people, there is movement of goods or items, and also there is movement of ideas. So people learn something and they pass that knowledge to other people. And we do that a lot more now, faster, because of things like the internet and social media and all that. But even, back during the days of the cavemen, they discovered fire, they, went and told someone else, and it spread for everyone learning how to make fire. And then the last one is human environment interaction. So it's really looking at how do we affect the earth, and in turn, how does the earth or the environment affect us? So, for example, we can blow up mountains and chop down trees to build a road or to build a bridge or to build train tracks. But at the same time, we are affected by our environment as well. So, looking at this coronavirus, that is an organism that's part of the environment, and this virus has, changed our lives dramatically. So that can be definitely an example of human-environment interaction. So I just want you to remember these 5 things as a refresher because they will come into play the next month and 2 weeks. It's very important, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.